scientist behind COVID-19 mRNA vaccine, says her team's next target is cancer.
Here's a summary of the article.
The scientist who won the race to deliver the first widely used coronavirus vaccine says people can rest assured the shots are safe, and that the technology behind it will soon be used to fight another global scourge, cancer. Britain authorized BioNTech's mRNA vaccine for use in December, followed a week later by Canada. The process of getting a medicine or a vaccine approved is one where many questions are asked. Many experts are involved and there is external peer review of all the data and scientific discourse, she said. There is a very rigid process in place and the process does not stop after a vaccine has been approved, she said. The vaccine made by BioNTech Pfizer and US rival Moderna uses messenger RNA, or mRNA, to carry instructions into the human body for making proteins that prime it to attack a specific virus. We have several different cancer vaccines based on mRNA, said Terechi. For now, Terechi and Zahin are trying to ensure the vaccines governments have ordered are delivered and that the shots respond effectively to any new mutation in the virus.
This post received a score of 11,000, with an upvote ratio of 95%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
She and her husband were given one of the highest German honors yesterday. Edit, one of
Knight Commander's Cross of the Order of Merit, that's a badass sounding order.
Until you realize the sword, armor and horse are not included.
What? How can they do this? That is outrageous. It's unfair. How can you be a Knight Commander and not be given a sword? Take a seat, Knight Commander.
I will say this daily.
Both of the now famous German RNA research companies BioNTech and CureVac initial goals were to develop treatment for cancer. But the vision of CureVac is even crazier. They want to develop RNA printers where at some point you can go to your local hospital or pharmacy with the result of a tumor analysis and they could print out the specific RNA drug that you need. That to me sounds like some real sci-fi stuff.
Moderna's pipeline also includes many cancer drugs. Tal Zaks, chief medical officer, has a deep background in oncology translational medicine.
I can imagine. I read an interview with the founder of CureVac where he stated that the vaccines are only now developed because the profits are better. He tried to develop one earlier but no drug company wanted to partner with him because of low profit margins. Cancer treatments on the other hand are greatly profitable.
I don't think it's a stretch to suggest that mRNA therapeutics and vaccines could be the biggest health technology breakthrough since the human genome was sequenced. SARS-CoV-2 is just the first target of what should be many more vaccines to come. Plus, now that we know it works for immunology, there will be a ton of interest in leveraging this platform for oncology. Necessity is the mother of invention. This pandemic may have, as a side effect, accelerated mRNA trials by decades.
Some of these companies are saying they are at least 10 years ahead. It's really cool stuff.
Imagine if we had put 50% of all the bomb money we spent in the years since World War II towards efforts like this.
Wheelchair rolls out from table, Mr. President. Under the authority granted me as Director of Weapons Research, I commissioned last year a study of this funding prioritization. Based in the current levels of Soviet missile deployment, let us say 12,000 warheads to zero on our part, the outcome would most certainly be an immediate nuclear attack.
Yes. Please hurry before mine decides to come back. Folded hands.
Well, I incidentally bumped into your cancer in a pub in northern Spain and we had a few drinks and such. He said he got someone pregnant and now wants to marry and settle in Europe for real. Also likes the weather better and got a taste for the cuisine. Said he only intends to grow spiritually now and work through his issues. You are welcome to visit anytime.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.